time, I'm still working with a range of fruits, good for summertime and also for the health. I've got a mango. This is a tropical fruit. Usually we ate a lot of this growing up as children in primary school. I remember having to throw stones up to get them down from trees. Remove the skin, peel off the skin. Then slice it. Chop it into nice cubes and serve with a fork. Another way of eating a mango is just to peel it on the go with your teeth. A bit, natural, but that's what we used to do. Remove it and just eat it on the go. So that's our mango. Thank you for watching our series on how to walk or serve a range of fruits. See you next time. Bye-bye.